To understand Web 3.0, it helps to look at how the internet has evolved. Web 3.0 or Web 3 is a vision for the next generation of the internet, one that is decentralized, heavily reliant on blockchain technology, and focused on giving users ownership over their data and digital assets. Here is the quickest way to understand the evolution. Web 1.0, the read-only web, 1990s to early 2000s. You could look at static web pages, but you couldn't really interact with them. Think of early Yahoo or Wikipedia before anyone could edit it. Web 2.0, the read-write web, mid-2000s to present. The era of social media and user-generated content. You can consume content and create your own. However, massive centralized companies like Google, Meta, and Amazon own the platforms, control the servers, and monetize your data. Web 3.0, the read-write-own web, emerging. You can consume, create, and own your digital presence. Instead of centralized companies controlling the servers, the internet runs on decentralized networks, blockchains. Let's look at the core features of Web 3.0. Decentralization. Data isn't stored on a single server owned by one company. It is distributed across thousands of computers worldwide. Trustless and permissionless, you can interact directly with other users or applications without needing a middleman, like a bank or a tech giant, to verify the transaction or grant you permission. Tokenomics. Digital assets, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are built directly into the fabric of the web, allowing for built-in economies and proof of ownership. Smart contracts. Automated, self-executing agreements coded into the blockchain that trigger when specific conditions are met, eliminating the need for lawyers or escrow services. A real-world example, digital ownership. To see how this works in practice, let's compare how you handle digital assets in Web 2.0 versus Web 3.0. The Web 2.0 scenario. Imagine you play a popular game like Fortnite or Roblox. You spend $20 to buy a unique digital outfit, a skin, for your character. The reality, you don't actually own that skin, you simply bought the license to use it within the developer's walled garden. If the company decides to ban your account, change the rules, or shut down the game servers, your outfit is gone forever. You also cannot sell it to another player for real money. The Web 3.0 scenario, blockchain gaming. Now imagine playing a Web 3.0 game. You buy a unique digital outfit, but this time it is minted as an NFT on a blockchain. The reality, the blockchain acts as an unchangeable public receipt proving you are the sole owner of that asset. The game developers do not control it. It sits in your personal digital wallet. Because you truly own it, you can take that outfit to a third-party marketplace and sell it to another player for cryptocurrency, which can be converted to regular cash, even if you completely stop playing the game. Another example, data storage. Web 2.0, you upload your files to Google Drive or Dropbox. You are trusting them to keep it safe, not look at it, and not get hacked. If their servers go down, you lose access to your files. Web 3.0, you use a decentralized storage network like IPFS or Filecoin. Your file is encrypted, broken into tiny pieces, and distributed across thousands of independent computers globally. Only you have the cryptographic key to reassemble and view the file. No single company controls it, and it cannot be taken down by a single server failure. For software-related courses online training, please contact VLR Venkat +91 905 986 8766